Hey, hello everyone. Diane at Rose Haven Yarn Shop in Britain. Today, I've got a special guest with me. You'll never guess who. Leslie, the owner. Yeah, she's here and she's going to unpack. Let me flip you around.
Flip me?
Hey!
Hello! We got some goodies from these came from the UK. We found, Leslie was shopping online and we got all kinds of new needle felting kits. Oh, but this is going to get messy really fast. Cross stitching.
Cute!
We got Santa gnomes.
I love the mouse.
Look at the koala bear.
Oh.
More Santa gnomes. I think I got 2 or 3 of them. These will be on the website after the weekend. I have to go to Montreal tomorrow, drop my son off to his last semester of university at Concordia.
That would be for the gnome collection for sure.
Yes.
To add those
Do
mushrooms.
you think they give you the log?
I don't know. Give me the box. I'll look on what they're saying on the packaging.
That's the cross stitch. Yeah, beginner cross stitch. We got a little penguin. I know a few people that collect penguin things. They are super cute critters. So there's 2 giant boxes. So we got a badger, the badger. Oh yeah, and this is new. This is a sewing for those people that want to start practicing their sewing skills.
Patchwork.
Patchwork owl. We didn't have too much in the patchwork stuff, but I can get more if everyone seems to like it. Gnomies.
Yeah, those left very fast last year. The Nordic gnome.
Diane loves the gnomes. We're a gnome happy place. Hey, chicks. Oh, that's new. Poppies.
Oh, right in time for November.
Gingerbread house, because rather you won't have to get fat eating it.
That's true. That's true.
Oh yeah, this one for fall.
Like
really
gourds
fast.
and pumpkins.
The blue tit. Everyone's
No comment.
Yeah.
No comment.
Who comes up with these names?
I don't know.
Who do you? Well, that's the poppies. Oh yeah, and the little wren. And then there's another whole box. I mean,
Wow.
I love unboxing. These are cute boxes too, and everything comes in here. So you get the sponge, you get the needles, you get the instructions, with pictures and everything. Oh, these look like
Oh, those are
boys.
big. Oh, look at this fox.
It's
a pony.
Okay, I thought it was a unicorn. I was almost mistaking the ear for a horn.
Oh.
But you could put a horn on it.
You could.
Of course, me and
They're
the
bigger
ponies.
box compared.
Look at the
Oh yeah,
beehive.
that's very nice. When I saw it on the invoice, I thought that was very
Look at-
pretty.
upside
We
down.
did have these guys.
Yes, these ones we had.
Yeah,
But now that we're
they're
getting
so
directly from the
cute.
company, we're getting more options. Hedgehogs. The beehive. Oh, this guy. I mean, come on.
Oh my
He
goodness!
his own newspaper.
And he needs glasses because
Oh,
he's
yeah.
oh. Those are like from the Walt Disney movie. You know, like they're dancing and.
The meerkats. They're so funny, even in real life. Of course, the red squirrel. They
Gorgeous.
hate red squirrels because they eat our barn. Make the dog crazy. And we've had the little robin before.
Yeah, I remember seeing this one.
Oh, that's the otters again. I think that looks like all the newbies. Yep.
Very cool. Very, very cool unwrapping.
Oh, penguins. Of course. It's
Wow.
not Christmas or winter without penguins.
I agree. So, since I have you here, I thought of showing you the store. If you haven't been in for a while, this is our fingering wall featuring Leslie's own beautiful vacay yarn with beautiful colors. She's coming up with always new stuff all the time with new colors that are interchangeable and can be knitted together. and now we're knitting with it, meaning this is made with one skein, and we can give you the pattern or the name of the pattern. This is from our Rosehaven, the color of the shop. So this is a hat, and remember up there I have one of Andrew Murray that I put the little bluff in, the one that you're seeing with the pink up there, right here. That's made with Leslie's yarn also. And she has now DK. So this is the fingering. So if we're crossing over, we've got the DK yarn also. So this is mainly the DK wall that you've got a little bit of everything. We've got a lot to offer. This is the one that was featured, the cardigan from Andrea Murray, the fade cardi that we did in one of the class last year. It was very popular. It was very pretty. Still very pretty, actually. And this is our worsted weight wall. In here, we've got Kelborn, which is DK at the bottom. And this is the wool we use to make the Nelshina, a sweater. You don't have to cut it. The pattern is a little bit different, but very easy. And because there's just a little bit of color work, enough to introduce it to you, but you don't have to do it the whole one. And at the top, we've got their version of the worsted weight, which is the Lucky Tweed. One big seller for us right now is the Chunky Monkey. The reason why it's a nice seller is because of the price. They went up a tad, but it's still $5 a ball. How can you get $5 a ball? But it is. We've got our knit collage corner. The demos right now are not hooked because they're in the window. Because it's this time of the year that we love to knit with knit collage, because it's warm, it's fluffy, it's big, and it goes super, super fast. Super fast. Major yarn, always a winner, quantity-wise, because it's so big. After that, Notion and embroidery floss. All of the embroidery kit that we've been showing you through the website. And at the back, this is an addition. We've got a little bit of yarn on sale, which you have to be on the premises to be able to choose it. And we've got the dyeing stuff. We've got the Eucalan that we all need to wash our things. And this is what's going to be coming to the front of the store pretty soon, because, yeah, I know it's coming. Winter's coming, so we need hats and mitts and to bring it back. Oh, this is a piece that Leslie entered in one of the festival that we had not too long ago. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like these are textured, like to mimic rocks and stuff, and it's all with felting stuff. So gorgeous, gorgeous work that she did on that piece for sure. Anyway, that's this Friday at Rosehaven Yarn Shop. More gnome to come. I'm not telling you, well, I should tell you, but the store will be having a 3-foot gnome coming pretty soon. It is absolutely gorgeous because we're doing it in the Echo Cascade. It's going to be Halloween colors, just because it's Halloween coming. We need to decorate the store. And yeah, 3 feet. So it's part of the Mystery Knit Along that starts today. Today was the first clue delivered, and I did have it. And the difference that she's doing this time is because of the size that you are going to pick. And I picked the big size, of course. And now we all know, like, the first clue is the hat, but I opened it up and there's difference in what hat you can do, pick, choose. Yeah, Sarah Shearer is doing a wonderful job. She's Canadian. It's always fun to help Canadian designers. So on that note, have a very good long weekend. Oh, wait. Okay. So do tell us about that.
Okay. I have 2 crafters coming, and all the stores on Main Street have offered up their front sidewalk space And so there's going to be all these handcrafters selling their items. On Saturday, I believe it's probably 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock, maybe 5, I'm not sure. But yeah, so Picton Main Street is going to be the hot spot, a place to be, to see all kinds of handmade, locally made products. I think we have an acrylic artist who makes really funky earrings, and oh shoot, I forget. I think there's a woodworker, there's a macrame artist. Yeah, there's all kinds, teas.
So I guess people will have to come and see.
They will have to come to Picton. It's a place to be this weekend.
Yeah, so come on over, put it into your GPS. It's going to bring you right onto the Main Street, and we're at 187 Main Street. Come and see us. We'll be happy to help you and show you all the goodies we have in the store. On that note, have a beautiful weekend, guys.